Hello stock stalkers. Again a positive day in the market. It's 18th of November 2020. Let's analyze the market index first and we check out some stocks. Aman, as I had mentioned in my previous analysis, 1.00 is support level. We wanted to see a green candle that is a bounce from the support area and we wanted to enter the trade. Exactly, it happened the same thing. We saw a green candle and we entered the trade. First resistance and the target was around 1.10. It almost touched and got rejected today. Second resistance and a strong resistance is at 1.20. Still it looks bullish to me, more upside expected, but keep a stop loss. Always keep a stop loss when you enter the trade. This is support 1.00. This is the previous swing low, say around 0.980. So your stop loss should be here. DFM performing very well and showing good signs of bullishness. I did mention this is the lower range and this is the upper range. When we saw a breakout with this green candle, I had recommended the trade. Again today a green candle, it means it's holding the gains. More upside expected. Your next target should be around 0.880. DR, it's getting very interesting. Keep an eye and stock this one. Previously what we could see, it was making lower lows and lower highs, meaning in a downtrend. Now the price action is changed. What we are seeing is it's making higher low. Now we want to see a new high. It means we want to see a closing above this level. Once it crosses above this level, it will be very bullish. Your first target will be 0.290. Next target is 0.300. Amanat, if you have seen my previous analysis, I had recommended this stock when I saw a bounce from the support level with this green candle. Again today what we are seeing a bounce from the same support level and it have made a green candle today. Resistance will be the same level again around 0.820. Why? Because we are seeing 200-day exponential moving average and previously we could see it got rejected at the same level. So this will be the resistance. If you are entering the trade tomorrow, exit at 0.820 immediately. Damac Properties, still very bullish. We are seeing pole and a flag pattern. It made a breakout with this solid green candle. Today it have made a dodgy candle. Surely it went up around 1.15. More upside expected. As I mentioned, you can have a target equivalent to this height. So we are expecting a new high of around 1.30 to 1.35. I'm holding this stock and I will wait for my target. UPP still in a downtrend. It's below 200-day exponential moving average. Also what we can see, it's making lower lows and lower highs, meaning clearly it's in a downtrend. This level right here, it's struggling to leave this area. This is a support zone and it have tested this level so many times, meaning this level is getting weaker and weaker. Today again it have taken a bounce. What we want to see, a clear cut cross above this level, that is the previous swing high, to make it bullish. As of now we are just talking, no trades in this one. Salama, if you remember my previous analysis, I had mentioned let it come out of this box, we will enter the trade. But it did not give us a chance to enter because it opened with a gap up after the announcement. Now when it made a bounce from the support level with this green candle, I had recommended to enter the trade. Today again what we are seeing, the same thing. It have taken a nice bounce after a dodgy candle. It's very good for the trade. First target is 0.850, second target is 0.887. Gulf Financial House, as you all know, this is the support and resistance line. It made a breakout, now it's making some price action at the same level. Today again we are seeing a good bounce from the support level. More time it spends at the same area, the bigger breakout again. I'm still holding this one, my target still remains the same. Emaar Properties, nice price action. Clearly we can see it's making higher highs and higher lows. Also it have managed to close about 200-day exponential moving average, that is bullish. Exactly at the resistance level, that is around 3.05. I had mentioned this is a strong resistance. We are seeing a dodgy candle. Dodgy means indecisiveness. We can see one big move, then correction, a big move, a correction is due now. I think it can retest the same level again, that is around 200-day exponential moving average, and it can continue to the upside. Or potentially it can also continue to the upside directly and then make a small retracement, continue to the upside. Bullish. Dubai Islamic Bank. Let's analyze this together. What can you see in the chart? Clearly we can see it's making lower lows and lower highs. It made a U-turn from this level. Now what is the new price action? Can you see this pattern? It's making higher highs and higher lows. If you can see, it means your eye can detect the trend. Check this one. This was the low. It made a high, made a new low, and now it have made a new high, meaning it have started its new uptrend it have also managed to close about 200-day exponential moving average, more upside expected, strong resistance at around 4.40 level. Emaar Malls. Again, try to analyze the chart. We can see clearly it was making some price action at 200-day exponential moving average. It means there was no trend, it was within a range. It made a breakout with this solid green candle. I have been recommending this stock for the last 2 to 3 days. What we are seeing is clearly it's making higher highs and higher lows. Also with yesterday's candle, I had mentioned it's a dodgy candle but it's bullish. Today again it have managed to close above it. More upside expected. That's it guys. Thank you for watching and keep stocking.